Yeah, bro, so the gas done last night for me. So me I drop it in the morning now. I swear. Can't stop progress, bro. Want some more wood feet. Yeah, dog. Wood for the fire. And my fire. For the fire. Fire is it. Motherfucker. Very, very interested, bro. Yeah. Until gas coming back. So yeah, drop it.
The next day.
Yeah, man. So after I do the cold stove pint 0, basically, with the tin mackerel thing, I go up on a different scale, dog. 2 burner I'm gone. 1 burner, 2 burner. But you don't know, I just 1 burner I use, you know, yeah, man. Wildlife settings. If anything, by tomorrow I'm supposed to get back some gas. See that? That's the thing there, bro. Swear to you. Yeah, dog. Swear. Fire blaze. Yeah, dog. New and improve. I have them metal and I do nothing right now. Them useful. Swear. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the plate. They take wine in the pot. Put in it. Once when I pot. Buckler, them practically burn up. I swear. Them practically burn up, bro. Don't fuck with it, you know, bro. Them burn up. Joke, man, them just right. So I like it. Kinda hard to take them out while my record still. Just one for taste this. Another thing is salt. So I go on. That is it. I'll cut them out. Look. Cave life suckings. Crispy, want some salt out. Loving the flavor. The smoke gives a different flavor. Piece more. Let's me take it off of the fire now. Stir the man, it can. Tip over. Play with them and then better. Piece more. One more. If something like food, I love my food just come out for a pot. That out of the pot. Sometimes me cook and just take the entire pot off of the stove, especially soup. And go inside, go fuck that salt. Yeah. Crispy as fuck. So I'm giggle. My dinner dog or something. 2 burner. Oh.